Breaking news in the murder trial of former Portsmouth police officer Stephen Rankin. The judge granted a continuance in the case.
Commonwealth's attorney Stephanie Morales asked for more time to work her case against Rankin. 10 News' Deanna LeBlanc just got out of the courtroom. She joins us now from the WAVY Newsroom.
Yeah, Don and Katie, the trial is now pushed back by 5 months to August 16th. Morales says there are at least 3 witnesses who cannot make the March 21st trial date. Now, one is a state trooper, another their expert witness from the state forensic lab. And now Stephen Rankin's defense team says they were ready to go for March. Their witnesses are ready, but they had no objection to that delay. Now, that wasn't the only big topic discussed in today's motions hearing. Remember, we told you the Commonwealth's attorney wants to ban off-duty police officers from wearing their uniforms in court, or at the very least, limit that number to 10, and limit that they can only sit together in groups of 3 or less. Now, at today's hearing, there were about 6 officers in uniform present. However, at Rankin's initial bond hearing, there were about 20 uniformed officers. Morales argued today that groups that large could create undue persuasion of the jury. She says it would unfairly bolster the credibility of the defendant, and their presence would be, quote, stifling. Here's what William Chapman, the victim's cousin, said about that motion.
If they're not working and in that courtroom just to review and see what's going on, no, we don't want them there. If they're working, they're wearing their uniform, we understand that. But at the same time, we do not, no way and no form, want the jury to be afraid of the officers, too many officers being in there.
Now, of course, the defense argued that it's unnecessary to limit the number of police officers in uniform. They said it could infringe upon First Amendment rights. The judge even hinted that if he ruled in favor of the limitations, then he expects that the defense will ask to limit the number of family members in the courtroom supporting the victim. He did not make a decision on that today. Now, coming up tonight at 4, 5, and 6, we'll break down all of that more clearly and explain another twist, why the Commonwealth wants to ban Rankin from talking on the stand about the suspicion that William Chapman was shoplifting from the Walmart before that shooting took place. All of that coming up tonight in the newsroom. I'm Deanna LeBlanc. 10 on your side.